If you've been thinking about moving, downsizing, or making a change, but you're not ready to decide anything yet, this video is for you.
Because most people don't call a realtor because they're ready. They call because they're uncertain, overwhelmed, or stuck between options.
And what they really need first isn't a decision,
It's clarity.
I'm Tamra.
And Amazi with Century 21 New Heritage. We help homeowners and buyers across Huntley, Crystal Lake, Algonquin, Woodstock, Cary, and Marengo, and especially Del Webb, Sun City, navigate big life transitions with confidence and calm.
And today we want to show you the simple starting point we use with every client before any selling or buying happens.
Most people are carrying a quiet question in the back of their mind. Should we stay or should we move? They think about maintenance getting harder, taxes rising, needing more space or less, being closer to family, or just wanting life to feel easier.
But they don't want pressure. They don't want a sales pitch. They don't want to be pushed into a timeline. So they wait, sometimes for years.
Here's the truth. You don't need to be ready to decide. You just need a plan. PLAN stands for Personalized Life and Asset Navigation, because this is about your life first, not your house.
PLAN stands for Personalized Life and Asset Navigation. It's a calm, private conversation designed to help you understand where you are, what your home is doing for you, what options exist, and what a realistic next step could be, even if that step is no change right now. It's not about selling, it's about seeing clearly.
PLAN is for homeowners 55 and over who are beginning to feel the weight of upkeep, families thinking about upsizing or relocating, adult children helping parents plan their next chapter, and anyone who just wants to know what their options really are. You don't need a timeline. You don't need to commit. You just need a place to start.
When you start with a plan, here's what happens. We talk about your goals and what's changed in your life. We look at what's happening in your local market. We explore options, staying, selling, downsizing, relocated, and you leave with clarity, not pressure. Some people take action right away. Some wait 6 months, and some decide not to move at all. Every outcome is okay.
If you've been carrying these questions quietly, we want you to know you're not behind. You're not late. You're right on time. The next step is not a decision. It's a plan.
If it would help to understand your options with no pressure, there's a link below to start your plan conversation.
No selling,
No commitment,
just clarity.